So here's the sobering truth. 82% of small businesses fail within the first 5 years, and the number one reason is poor cash flow management. But it's not just business owners. A significant portion of Americans are struggling financially, with 50% having less than $500 saved and 39% have $250 or less. So why don't people budget? It's not laziness. It's a lack of financial literacy and understanding. Most of us were never taught how to manage money. This is what I've heard over and over for the last decade. People don't know how to budget in a way that reflects real life spending habits, variable costs, timing issues like inconsistent income or the unpredictability of running a business. MoneyMate exists to change that by giving people a financial strategy once and for all, and education that they've never gotten in a system built by a finance manager for how life actually works. Business owners are naturally focused on growing the revenue, and rightfully so, but what often gets neglected is managing the finances. And that's where things can start to go wrong. Because if you're not controlling where your money is going, it doesn't matter how much money you make, poor cash flow management will always catch up with you. And that's why MoneyMate exists, to help you to stay on top of both sides of the equation, growth and control. While I was working in retail banking and as a home loan originator, it dawned on me that the people who need the help the most couldn't get it. And why was that? Because they didn't have $50,000 in assets to qualify for traditional financial planning? Well, I believe everyone deserves access to expert financial planning at an affordable cost. And that's what my team and I have been working on and what we created with MoneyMate, the first money manager in your pocket. Even though our beta doesn't include AI yet, it's still incredibly powerful. It creates a custom financial plan aligning your income with your expenses so you know what to expect each pay period or month. And that clarity is essential to avoid costly mistakes and take control of your financial future. Hi, I'm Elena Colquitt, the owner-operator of Epoch Harvest, a financial consulting company based in Atlanta, Georgia. I have been in the finance industry for 16 years, and I've spent the last decade manually managing finances on behalf of individuals and small business owners. During that time, my company has grown 32% year over year. I'm originally from Detroit, Michigan, a proud single mother of two amazing boys, and a graduate of the Florida A&M University, where I earned my degree in business administration and focused on finance. I also became a member of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated. Right out of college, I began my career in trust services at LaSalle Bank, which was acquired by Bank of America. I have experienced layoffs, divorce, life's unexpected financial challenges, and I've also helped my clients through it all as well, like foreclosures, student loan garnishments, credit rebuilding, you name it. My superpower is creating strategic financial plans that help individuals and small businesses reach their goals so they can live life on their own terms. And that's exactly what I've been doing through MoneyMate. I realized back in 2014 that what I was doing day in and day out was very redundant. So I wrote a provisional patent to automate these processes to help more people, because after all, there was only one me. The patent for MoneyMate was officially issued in 2019. However, it wasn't until 2021 that I turned my attention to building the software, starting with raising capital. I've raised $220,000 from friends, family, and clients, and I've invested roughly $80,000 myself into its development, which allowed us to create our MVP, which we use internally with my finance team to gather valuable feedback. Once we had solid insights, we moved forward with building the beta. It had a soft launch in April of 2024, and since then we've been focused on improving the software's functionality based on feedback that we've received from our existing users. Let's do a quick little exercise. I want you to go back and get the money that you've overspent this weekend while you were out having fun. I'll wait. Exactly, you can't. That's about how helpful it is to look backwards when it comes to overspending. But if you're getting paid this Friday, we can plan for what's coming next, and that will actually be more effective and move you forward. That's the difference between MoneyMate and everybody else. We don't waste time crying over spilled milk. We help you to stop spilling it in the first place. All I have ever wanted from my clients as a finance manager is for them to communicate the what, when, and how much. That's it. I would tell them, as soon as you know you have a new expense, just tell me those three things: what it is, when it's due, and how much it's going to cost. With that information, I can plan for your finances effectively. And that's exactly what MoneyMate is asking you to do. Create your profile, link your accounts, and let MoneyMate do the heavy lifting. In minutes, you will create both a business operating budget and a personal budget for you, all in one system. Just enter what, when, and how much, and see how much easier proactive financial planning can make your life. All right, let's get to the $1 million question. People always ask me, what makes MoneyMate different? That's a question I'm always excited to answer, but it's one that can be hard to conceptualize and to get across effectively. So let's break it down. Think about traditional accounting systems like QuickBooks. They look backwards, tracking what has already happened to generate financial statements. This is great for understanding the past, but they don't help you to plan for the future. MoneyMate, on the other hand, is forward-looking. It's designed to help you to align your income and your expenses by creating proactive financial plans. MoneyMate does not replace your accounting system. It works in partnership with it, so you have a holistic view of everything that's going on. As a small business owner, your personal finances directly impact your business finances and vice versa. This is especially true if you're trying to rebuild or establish credit. Your personal side will act as a guarantor when applying for business loans. You cannot manage one well without the other. When you're looking to grow and scale your company, both your business and personal finances have to be in harmony. This is why MoneyMate offers both in the same system, allowing you to manage both aspects seamlessly. However, if you prefer, we also offer subscriptions for individuals only. With MoneyMate, you won't just understand your past, you will be equipped for your future, ensuring that both your business and your personal finances are aligned for success. It's like having a fractional CFO for both your personal and business financial planning.